Diversity, a measure of the variability of context in which a word occurs, has been shown to impact both word form and meaning processing. However, there is currently no synthesis of studies investigating this. We conducted a scoping review to comprehensively map how different measures of diversity influence lexical processing. We set out to answer these 4 pre-registered research questions, and this shows our search strategy. After applying our pre-registered inclusion criteria, there are 101 articles in the final sample. This figure shows a sharp increase in the number of articles published since 2006, and that experiments were conducted in 14 different countries and 6 languages. This graph shows the different names for all diversity metrics identified, their operationalizations, and the number of experiments which used each. Count-based metrics operationalize diversity as a count of the documents in which a word appears, whereas computational and composite metrics measure topic overlap. The terms applied to different metrics are not consistent. For example, Edelman et al.'s metric is referred to contextual diversity, but also document count. Reassuringly, though, high and low diversity were operationalized the same way across metrics. Considering word form processing, we see a high diversity advantage across familiarity judgment tasks, i.e. indicating whether you know a word form or not, word production tasks, i.e. saying a word when prompted with its written or spoken form, as well as tasks that did not fit into either category. This is also consistent across metrics. Therefore, experiencing words in more or more varied contexts results in more accessible word form representations, which may in turn speed lexical access. This figure shows the same thing for word meaning processing, and here the picture is much more mixed, with different tasks and metrics showing different diversity effects. For semantic decision tasks involving concrete abstract judgments, there was a high diversity advantage for document count. However, for semantic relatedness decision and definition matching, we see a low diversity advantage when diversity accounts for topic overlap. For picture naming, there was no clear pattern. This results may be due to the level of semantic precision required to perform a task. For picture naming, the image provides a constraining semantic context, perhaps reducing the impact of diversity and resulting in inconsistent effect. Concreteness decision requires general judgments about a semantic category, but not activation of precise meaning representations. However, semantic relatedness decision and definition matching require participants to make a precise, explicit meaning judgment. Thus, experiencing words in multiple contexts may facilitate semantic tasks that require less specific knowledge about a word, but may make selecting a single meaning more difficult. To summarize, this review has revealed that diversity has different effects on word form and meaning processing. For form processing, high diversity is beneficial regardless of task or diversity metric. However, diversity effects on word meaning processing depend upon both task, metric, and may be linked to the level of semantic precision required.